The Roku Streaming Stick 4K hides behind your TV. The all-new design plugs right into your TV with a simple setup. Start streaming channels like Disney+, Prime Video, HBO Max, Apple TV, Netflix, Sling, and Hulu in a snap. Just turn on your TV. Enjoy fast, smooth TV streaming in any room with a strong Wi-Fi connection. Now up to 2 times faster. Power up your TV and adjust the volume. Control your Roku streaming stick with the Roku remote. Quickly search, play entertainment, and control your streaming device with the device remote. Stream in 4K, Dolby Vision, and HDR 10+ with sharp resolution and vivid color. Upgrade your streaming with a massive selection of free, live, and premium TV, including Roku Originals and 200+ live TV channels for free on the Roku channel. It works with popular voice assistants like Google, Siri, and Alexa. Go to the link below and get it only for $42.